You went right away. Yeah. You want to be, okay, you have this guy here. Okay, come closer. Okay, you got him here, right? So you're going to use him as a pole. Whoa. So you want to spend here as much as you, yeah, whoa. Now use him here, whoa. Now you decide to do your delay, okay? Use him, whoa. Then you do slide delay to be on time. Is that what is in my head? Yeah.
I think so.
So you want to see how much? If you're like, oh, too heavy or something, then I'll give you a secret how not to be heavy. So to do hip a little bit, but definitely don't just. Then this is no good. This is no good. It has no feeling because he invites you go right away. No, there has to be intrigue. He say, hey,
but maybe not. Maybe
come. You're maybe not. Yeah. Maybe yes. Maybe here, and then you design something. Yeah. Chick. Yeah. No. Stay. No. That was better. Because you were too far. So here was good. Position here. And now use delay. Whoom. Okay, use this hand. Use whatever it takes. Maybe here. Yeah, to do your own delay. Maybe you don't feel yet comfortable in delay. What is delay means? That you vary forward of balance, you vary backward of balance. With the foot in front. Hanging here. Oh, decide. So you become in charge of this couple in a way. Even he's leading, kind of like it's you are leading.
But like both leading, right?
Like both leading and both following, both reacting. Like a conversation, where we have a good conversation.
Both engaging.
Yeah, we both engage. That's like it's interesting, right?
Yeah.
And here use a little bit hip. Use a little bit hip. Hang there, hang. Warm. Nice. No, this wasn't. Yeah. So
there's nothing wrong with it.
No. There's nothing wrong. This was very good. Just here, either you inspire her, go fall. Don't move your leg. Just fall. Keep your leg. Yeah. Boom. I have a little bit like. Okay. Can you a little bit give up this? Okay.
Give up my.
Your tummy, like a little bit like a cat. But go back.
Go back.
Cheek, yeah, go off balance forward. Now soften your tummy. Wow, yeah. You see that?
But okay, never mind. I will ask.
No. Ask.
But does that come from my own feelings, or kind of he's initiating that feeling right now?
Right
Or
now,
both?
no, you're both initiating because I already told you that what you want to do. I'm kind of tell you what you will be thinking before. You see, and if I put my arm here,
it means
no, right? Okay, put your arm on my tummy when I dance.
Yeah.
Got it? So I run away from your arm. Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it?
Yeah.
Cheek and cheek. Ooh. Yeah, and then back to normal.
Okay.
Like you don't want to do like this every walk, but that sometimes to go a little bit. Like if I let's say I want to do back bend, you see my elbow? You see how it's like wah. You see like
you have to go in opposite first.
Yeah. It's like if my elbow touch him, he has to run away from my elbow. Yeah, won't run away from my hand. Yeah. Got it? So if I do this means yeah. Here and then maybe you go. Tummy, do tummy again. Tummy, chest, maybe a little bit head. Yeah. Got it?
Sound like an implosion.
Yeah.
Same?
Try. Yeah. And just here, I want you, can you do this to me? Can you just stay here, see how far you can reach with that leg and hip? Warm. Using him, not to be afraid. Yeah, not to be with the high hip. Yeah, with the, bend this leg. Yes, girl, very good. Reach to me with your leg. Yes. Boom. And now use him to accept. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and now could you land somewhere in between his leg, like here somewhere?
Right between?
Yeah, don't pass him.
Okay.
Like somewhere in between. Okay. Somewhere here. So then you can, this is going to be your next station. So another idea for you, use him as a pole. Use him as a pole. So I'm a pole. Use me as a pole. Yeah, use me as a pole. I'm a pole. Use me. Wait.
Too much.
Do a rande and use me as the pole. Whoa, here. Don't go. Yeah. Now use me as a pole for delay. Oh yeah. Use me as a pole. Use me as a pole so much so I have difficulty to stand. Yeah. Warm. 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 Yeah. Yeah, but okay. No, because watch. Your leg straight, like a wooden leg. No. Here, bend your leg, okay?
Okay, got it.
Bend.
It happens so fast. Like that is a very
No,
quick
do it
moment, right?
very slow.
Okay.
Do it. Why
The
is it quick?
delay. It feels.
It's very slow. Yeah. No, try. That was better. Yeah, got it. Yeah, walk. Use him for delay. Yeah, that was a good one. This is a couple normal with the tiny. This is like almost like you're practicing it. And I'll go for the big one. Let's see if he can help you. Yeah, that was it.
Better.
Yeah.
I really feel like
It was better. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe because like my spine is more.